say class, any program you do, you have to write a class. Suppose this class name, I give a meaningful name, equal matrix EM, curly bracket start. Okay. And there is another function you have to write here. Public static void main function. Because main function is the main function must be there in any standalone application. Okay. Main function must be there in the standalone application. We are not using in the BlueJ. When we are working in BlueJ, we are sometimes skipping main function. But BlueJ is not the place to open our program. We should, any layman, any common person will open his program in the command prompt or directly in the Windows. Okay. So, you need to give main function. At least one function is required here. So what is our work? To find the equal matrix. So to find equal matrix, you need to have two matrices. Right? So first matrix is the A, second matrix is the B. Both should have the same number of rows and same number of columns. We are taking it here 3 rows and 4 columns. Both A and B should have 3 rows, 4 columns. Clear? Yes. You can make static, or you can put inside the main function. If you are putting outside the main function, you need to have static. If inside the main function, you are just writing here. Okay. So what you are writing in the declaration, int A square bracket pair, another square bracket pair, and a new int 3, 4. Similarly for B, int B array equal to new int 3, 4. So 2 array you have declared. What is the process to take data into the array? Same process. Each cell of the array is a variable. So we have to do some method so that we can traverse each cell. For traversing each cell, we have 3 rows and 4 columns. So we have an outer loop for I is equal to 0 to 2. We have an inner loop for j is equal to 0 to 3. Why we are taking 0? 0 to not 1 to 3, but 0 to 2 why you took 2? Because 0, the starting index is always 0. Whether it is in the x-axis or y-axis, 0. So I equal to 0 to 2 and j equal to 0 to 3. Understood? And we are using these i's and j, and we are going to different places. First, I and j will be what? 0, 0. So it will come here. And kp dot next int function will ask you a number. Okay. So kp dot next int function will ask you a number. You will give a number. Suppose you are giving 5. It is going to A00 because first time I is 0, j is 0. Second time I is 0 because I is not changing fast. I is in the outer loop. Who is changing fast? J. J is in the inner loop. So next time, second time, there will be 0, 1. I is 0, j is 1. So 0, 1. 0, 1 means which location? This location. So second time we are putting here 2. It is going to A 0, 1. Third time in the 0, 2. Next time 0, 3. Next time j is over. So I will change to 1 and j will start again from 0. So it will be 1, 0. Then 1, 1. Then 1, 2. Then 1, 3. Then j will be over starting with the 0. I will go to 2. Right? So 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. So like this is. So similarly we will write another nested loop for same I you can use 0, I less than equal to 2, I plus plus. Okay. For j is equal to 0, j less than equal to 3, j plus plus. Array I less than equal to 2 means I less than 3. J less than equal to 3 means j less than 4. So this time we will do where? In a B array. We will fill up the B array. That is Bij is equal to, we can use this same KB. What is that KB? Scanner object. That should be done in the very first line of the function. Okay. What should be done here? Very first line of the function. Scanner KB is equal to new scanner bracketed system.in. So KB, so we are using here KB dot next int function, curly bracket end and another curly bracket. So second nested loop is used to take data into B array, right? First nested loop is taking to the A array, second one is taking to B. Third nested loop we use for comparing. Same thing we will write here for, okay, I is equal to 0, I less than equal to 2, I plus plus. Curly bracket start. For j is equal to 0, j less than equal to 3, j plus plus. Curly bracket start. What will write in the very inner loop? Very inner loop will write another if statement. In if statement we are saying if Aij not equal to Bij, Ij is same. So that means they are seeing the corresponding places. Suppose Ij is pointing to this place in the B, then Ij will point to the same place in A. Same place. If they are not, they are equal, no problem. If they are not equal, some problem. So we will not do anything for equal. We will do something for not equal. If not equal, we are doing we are changing the flag to 1. Flag we have taken on top of this loop, of this nested loop to 0. f is equal to 0. So if any wrong we find, we make f is equal to 1, and we are immediately pressing brake. Simply pressing brake will take you here. There is no, okay. Simply pressing brake will take you just out of the outer loop, inner loop, just out of the inner loop. That is why we are writing brake outer. What is this outer? Outer is nothing but a label just before the outer loop. Outer is nothing but a label just before the outer loop. Okay. So this third nested loop is starting with the f is equal to 0, then outer label, then the nested loop. In the nested loop, in the very inner, you are writing this if statement. So when you are going out, when it is any place, any corresponding places are same, not same, not same. So in that case, the f is changed to 1, and it is going outside. In the outside, we are checking if f is equal to 0. If it is coming, if two corresponding places are not same, f is equal to 1. In the outside, we are checking f is equal to 0 or not. So that will not match. So it will not show equal matrix. It will show equal matrix when okay, everything is okay and f is not changed, f is 0, okay, f is remaining 0, f is remaining intact as 0, so at last you are checking it, and so then it will show that they are equal matrix. Understood? So other things you do, adding two matrix, subtracting two matrix, this is some homework. We will do something for you. You will also do labor. It is a two-way process. Okay, only teacher will do, student will not do anything. That is not, then you cannot proceed. So here you will end the main function, and then after the main function ends, the class will end. Class was equal matrix.